Should I do more?
Alright, that's good.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Let me see your nose.
That's
Let me see your nose. You're the dumb fuck that did it. How you gonna get that out?
It's dripping. Oh, that's so terrible.
You did it. Every time I burp, it's right there. Ew.
It's dripping. That's stuck. It's not coming out.
How you gonna get it out?
Dude, I don't know. I'm pretty sure this is worse than wasabi.
Wasabi is hot as...
It's gone, dude. There's nothing up there.
Ew.
Which idiot did it?